Dive into the heart of the East with these intriguing China facts. 1. China is officially known as the People's Republic of China. 2. It's home to the Great Wall, the only man-made structure visible from space. 3. China is the world's most populous country with over 1 billion people. 4. It uses a written script made of thousands of unique characters. And 5. It's the world's largest consumer of red wine. Intrigued? Uncover more fascinating facts by subscribing and clicking the like button. Until next time, thank you for your curiosity.